Wondering how to achieve this trending text behind you effect? Well, you came to the right place. Load into CapCut and let me show you how I do it. Okay, let's put text behind you. Okay, so in CapCut, import a video. As you could see here, wonderful video. Then you're going to select text, add text, and you can write whatever. I'm just going to write text. Oh goodness. I'm just going to write text behind you. Where did it go? What the? Oh, there we go. Hi text. What's up? Okay, so then, of course, you can add different fonts, different styles, and, of course, animation. Just got hair in my face, my mouth. Okay, animation, I will be using a type 1. Then you can make it bigonizify it, and place it where you want it. Okay, we are halfway done. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Okay, then you're going to duplicate your main video and make it as an overlay. This bang. You're going to make that duplicated video as an overlay. Place it under your main video. And it should look something like this. Okay. Then for that overlaid video, you're going to go over to remove background and then auto remove. You can do this by hand, but I'm just auto removing because I have Pro and it's easier. Then for that overlay video, you're going to go to layers.
A few moments later.
Aha! Found it. Hair. Okay, you're going to go to layers, and then you're going to place your overlay in front of your text. You see the different boop, 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 boop. Voila. So your overlay is going to be wanting to be in front of your text. Then there you have it. You have text behind you. You did it! Okay, yeah, see, that was not that hard. And this is super simple to get text behind you. I mean, like, you don't need a green screen for this. You do not need special props. You do not need anything fancy or complicated from Hollywood or anything dramatic like that. You just need a video of yourself, an editing platform, which I use CapCut, which is free. You could do this free, and some text, and you got this. Okay, that's it. You can export your video and bing bang boom, you are done. Simple as that, and nobody had to die through the process. Okay, if this video was helpful, then go like and subscribe, and go check out this video on keyframes. You can add keyframes to your text so your text can be moving around while it's behind you. I mean, like, how much more cool can that get? And if you have CapCut, make sure to go check me out at ClipsByAdora, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Happy creating.